So for today's vlog, I am literally just gonna be running some errands with Brian right now. I just dropped him off, he's doing something, but we have to go to Target. I need to get like a planner, just kind of some random stuff. And I don't know if you guys know this, but Brian and I actually got an apartment, so we move in about a month and a half. Oh my god, yeah, like a month and a half. I'm super excited, I cannot wait. But anyway, I have just slowly been getting stuff, and I figured, bitch, why the hell aren't you vlogging this? I need content, so yeah. Also, with that being said, I'm gonna like continue to do my try-ons, but I have just been literally doing try-on after try-on after try-on, and I feel like it's just getting so old because a lot of the videos aren't doing that good, and I totally understand why. So I'm gonna be doing like more of what I want to do, like vlogs, Q&As, mukbangs, like just random stuff. And also it's gonna be so much easier to do my own things when I move out and I have my own space, because I'm gonna have my own studio for it. So it's gonna be a room dedicated for all my YouTube stuff. And then also, like, I'm gonna be able to film pretty much like morning routines, just vlogs, like what I eat in a day, because it's just like way too much at my house. But anyway, today we're just gonna be running around doing some errands. I was thinking about getting an iPad, actually, just in the back of my mind. I don't know, but I actually did recently get a Fitbit. A lot of people think this is an Apple Watch, but it's just a Fitbit, and it's like literally half the price of an Apple Watch, and it can do the same exact stuff on an Apple Watch except reply to messages, which I don't really need that. But anyway, I love it, and I'm thinking about getting an iPad because I just want to edit pictures, just more like, I don't know, hands-on stuff. But yeah, we have a bunch of stuff to do today. It is currently 29 degrees outside right now. Brian's looking at me like, what the hell are you talking to? I'm vlogging. Oh. But anyway, it's 29 degrees out right now, and there's a pothole. I can't forget about that. We are trying to just quickly run errands before it honestly just gets really bad, because we're supposed to get about 10 inches of snow in the next 2 days, like all together, and I want to kill myself. So that's yeah. But anyway, we're on our way to Target, and I will see you guys there. Okay, so I had to go to the bank because I wasn't able to transfer money, so I just got down from the bank, and now we're actually gonna go get food, and I'm gonna film a separate video, which is a Hawaiian I don't know how you say it, poke bowl mukbang with Brian. So if you want to see that, just check out my channel. I'm not sure when I'm going to be posting that, but we still have yet to go to Target and Best Buy and stuff like that, and we've been out for like 2 hours, so yeah.
Oh, it's shaking.
This is the kind of like blanket I wanted for the beanbag. You know, a white beanbag and then this color blanket.
I like that. That fur?
Yeah. What is it called? It's like fox. Brian, you can't have it that way.
Wait.
Look at this. This is pretty. Dude, this.
I think that's what the elk looks like.
No, it's not.
Yes, dude. Oh, this is $35 pillow.
Oh, what is it though?
I don't know,
It's
but
like
it
really
feels worth
comfy.
$35.
There's a matching mini one. What are we gonna have our room look like?
I like this. I like this.
White and like brown, like fur.
I like this, yeah. These colors. This has like gray, white.
Buy it.
Yeah.
And that.
Yeah. Now we have to get that beanbag this color.
No, the beanbag isn't going in our room.
No, I know. These are for our room?
I don't know.
Could use them for the
Couch?
and then buy a blanket.
Because I want green. Hold on. I want green and blue. Like more green and blue.
I don't like green though. What's with the green?
Well, like plants. That's what I want. It's gonna be the green. Plants are gonna be the green.
Well, plants aren't just green.
I want green plants.
I'm just saying plants aren't just green. Certified cotton blanket. Not too hot, not too light. That'd be nice for the summer.
Is your finger in front of the camera?
That's last.
But I got some of them at home. That's where we should go, in that at home place.
We can go. I got the day free here. Take
I really
advantage.
like these though, but I don't know.
I like them.
They're just so like comfy. I'm confused.
Yeah, that's why.
But I feel like we could get these at that at home place.
For the same price.
This is $35. This is $20.
Just get the big one.
But just one pillow.
Yeah, you're right. These are cool. We can go check there if you want.
Should we go
Hold
there
on,
instead?
hold on. All right.
Hold on, I want to hold this up. Does that look nice? I think so.
I think so.
I want like a big plant with it.
Looks like
Koala.
animal. Yeah, like koala's fur in the jungle or something.
Okay.
That's the theme.
Should we get these then?
Yeah.
This is our big push.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Do you guys have any more of those pillows? By chance? Cause you could get 2 small ones.
Could. What do you?
Oh, which the big ones? Or
Yeah, we can do big ones. Just to see, I'd rather have 2
2 big ones.
It's, we have one in the back.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Are we able
do
to?
it.
Thank you. I
Thank you so
appreciate
much. It's like pottery.
it. Yeah, it's kind of pretty. There's a hamper. I like that, like bamboo. Hold on. So we got 2 giant pillows and a black bath rug, 2 black bathrobes. I know. She's just staring at you. But now we're gonna go to that at-home place, and yeah, I'm excited.
Hi guys!
So Brian actually vlogged. That was nerve-wracking. I have horrible anxiety about that because I feel like when I see people, I have seen people do it. I saw people at the
I've
Mall of
seen
America,
people do
yeah,
it.
and I'm just like,
I know.
I look at them weird, but I'm just like, you have
That's
some
me.
balls,
Yeah.
you know? Like, I could not do it, but Brian was nice enough. Although he did have his, like, finger on the camera the entire time. We're just gonna have to crop that out, which is not a big deal. This truck is about to hit me. Fuck you. Okay. It is currently, what time is it? It's 2 o'clock. It's 1:57. We're gonna go to this store called, like, At Home. It's like, I don't know, it's kind of new for where we are, but it's like a cheaper furniture store, honestly. Like, I don't know, they just have a bunch of deals all the
They
time.
have a lot of interesting stuff there.
Very unique things. Very inexpensive things as well, so I need to get gas, bitch.
Some for everyone.
Yeah, so we're thinking of maybe getting a drink before we go. I am thirsty as fuck, but yeah.
This is a good Friday.
It is. And tomorrow is just gonna be
Ooh.
shit. So we made it back home. We didn't vlog at that at-home place just because we weren't sure if we were gonna get anything, and then we decided to just get some random stuff. But my Buff Bunny package came, and they just sent me a few little new releases. So as some of you guys know, I'm an affiliate with Buff Bunny, so I don't have a link. Well, I do have a link, I don't have a discount code. So if you purchase through my link, I get some money. So that's always down below in my description box, and they have a new release date. It is March 16th at 1 p.m. Central Time. So you guys will be seeing me posting a lot of pictures on my Instagram with their new clothes. They sent me just a little bit of everything, so 1 item from each new like collection. This is just that hot, I think this is actually called Hot. This is like the color of their sports bra. And then I'm so excited for these leggings. Like, they feel so nice and thick. I'm excited. And this really pretty, just, I don't know what fabric this is. It's like almost like those Rosa leggings fabric. I am confused. Like, it is just way too soft. But yeah, I will be posting a lot more of those on my Instagram. So again, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I think it's around 5 o'clock right now, 4:30, and we're just gonna chill out, maybe go to the gym tonight, sit in the sauna, do that type of good stuff. I did vlog like a little mukbang. I think I told you guys that in the beginning. But yeah, again, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Do you guys like my vlogs? Because like I said, I'm trying to do, my hair looks so messed up right now. I'm trying to do a weekly vlog, you know, at least once a week. That's why it's a weekly vlog. But yeah, hopefully this goes up today actually. I'm super excited about this as well. Again, I'm gonna be posting a bunch of new like outfit pictures and stuff. And I will be having like a little review video on all of this. So leggings, sports bra, and everything included. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I have so many more videos like this to come. For now, I think we've kind of gotten everything that we absolutely need to move in. We've gotten more than what we need, but yeah, I'm excited. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Ugh.